Good morning, everybody. I am Professor Muhammad Wasim Akram. Welcome to all of you in my video lecture series. I have been teaching this course for the last 12 years. These video lectures will be very useful to the students of civil engineering. So keep watching, like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Good morning, students. In continuation to our previous lecture on Indian Standard Soil Classification System, today we will discuss about the basic soil components as per Indian Standard Soil Classification System. Basically, soil is classified into three major categories: very coarse soil and fine grained soil. In case of very coarse soil, the soil is classified as boulder size and cobble size. There is no symbol for this boulder and cobble. Boulder is actually rounded to angular, bulky, hard rock particle, and its average diameter is more than 300 millimeter. And in case of cobble, it is also rounded to angular, bulky, hard rock particle, and its average diameter is 80 to 300 millimeter. And in case of coarse soil, it is classified as gravel and sand. The symbol for gravel is G and for sand the symbol is S. Gravel is further classified as coarse gravel and fine gravel. For coarse gravel, the size is 20 to 80 millimeter, and fine gravel it is 4.75 to 300 millimeter. The sand is further classified as coarse sand, medium sand, and fine sand. The size of coarse sand is 2 to 4.75 millimeter, and size of medium sand is 0.425 to 2 millimeter, and size of fine sand is 0.075 to 0.425 millimeter. Fine grained soil is silt and clay, and symbol is M and C. Silt is actually it's a particle smaller than 75 micron and identified by behavior that is slightly plastic or non-plastic regardless of moisture and exhibits little or no strength when air dried. And the size of the silt is 0.0022 to 0.075 millimeter, and the fine grained is again a clay size, means symbol is C. It is also particle smaller than 75 micron, identified by behavior that is it can be made to exhibit plastic properties within a certain range of moisture and exhibits considerable strength when air dried, and the size for the clay particle is less than 0.002 millimeter, that is 2 micron. In addition to that, two other components are also available as per Indian standard, that is organic matter. The symbol is O, and organic matter is in various sizes and stage of decomposition. There is no specific grain size. And for peat, the symbol is PT. It is fibrous, spongy, and it has also no specific grain size. So this is all about the basic components of the soil as per Indian Standard Soil Classification System.